get the, I'm gonna send you, I'm talking as if you're in the chat. Let's get this YouTube. Let me make sure it's all running smoothly. I need to not go there. Here, my channel, live, share, copy. Okay, go on here. Here, and let me just post it in here. Alrighty, I'll wait until people are in here. It's a little delayed, about 10-second delay. I want to do that. I'll just wait until everybody's in here. All right. That's good. All right. Boom, boom. I'm gonna reload that. Check USD JPY. Yes. Continue going down. Okay. Just check my trades at the moment. It's bouncing around. All right, cool. At 0.25 lot. 260 profit. I don't know if anyone's in here, so okay, Henry, I see you. All right, you can hear me on the on everything, right? My chair just made some weird noise. Alrighty, it's fine. So some of you can hear me. Boom, boom, boom. Let me close this out. So first thing I would do on here, I would set up. I can hear. Okay, cool. I would set up this. You can set with these pairs here for the JPY. And once you get all these pairs set up, you can take a screenshot of it if you want. Set all these up. You'll go to indicators, sessions. You'll add sessions on chart. AROX AIF, you'll click that. You'll go into the settings. You'll take off the London, New York, and Sydney session because we won't be utilizing those at all. You do that, and then go to Tokyo session and put the time 0 and 6 because that's typically the time that the Tokyo session is going on. Once that's done, I'm gonna move my mic over here actually. Not this little thing. Look at this in front of me here. Okay, once that's set up, we click OK. Just to make sure you're on UTC. Cooper, that's fine. Just messaging someone, that's fine. Okay, let me go back. Open this up. Okay. Then we'll go down, if you can see my mouse, we'll go down to the bottom here. We'll right click in time zone. Make sure you put on UTC if it's not, just so you don't put the wrong format in. And once that's in, you're set up on the settings I use for really simple trading. So during this yellow time, I'm usually eating dinner or something, and it goes into about 4 a.m. Eastern time zone. So during this time, I'm doing no trades during the yellow block. I wake up in the morning on it. I wake up in the morning and take some trades. Let me close out here. Boom. I'll go to Euro JPY just so you're not confused. All right, close it out. I'm not entirely sure why I did that. Okay, so I'm the Euro JPY. Again, not trading anything in the yellow boxes. I'm typically eating dinner and going to sleep. I'll wake up in the morning, check out the charts. So let me do it from the beginning for you guys. X this out. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you have the session set up. Everything's set on UTC. You can run it 15-minute just so you can see more candlesticks if you'd like. I have everything set up in the corner over here. All the Forex currencies for JPY that I trade. I'll close that out. So we'll play it like this. I'm going to replay. During this time, I'm sleeping. So I'm in replay mode. So I'm rewinding. I'm sleeping, 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 sleeping. I wake up in the morning. This is when I wake up, between 4 and 5 a.m. I wake up in the morning. I go to horizontal line. You can click here. You look in the yellow box. You look for the highest point. Mark it green. Pick another one. Mark on the lowest. Mark it red. So now you know you have the highest point and the lowest point during the Tokyo session. And during this time, you will only take a short if crosses red line here. And I'll do long if crosses above. Make that green. So now you know if it crosses here, I'll do a long position here. I'll take halfway. And then on here, I'll do a short position and I'll go, say about halfway. It looks about half, right? Just for quick things. Okay. So again, crosses above, going long, crosses below, you're shorting it. So let's fast forward through the day. This is 15-minute increments. Now it crossed. So you'll take the short. So it crosses, take the short, and play it through. And you already made quick profit on there. So it's 50-50? Yes, yes. So if you are taking a long or a short, I typically would put the stop loss about 50% in the high and low part of Tokyo session, because both ways would get a pull back. So if the price goes up, it will typically come down. And then you can see profits keep on going. But this is up to you how your profits you want to be, and how much your lot size is, yada yada. Typically, if it crosses down and I'm in some good profit, I would just close it out and good for the day. So just let me know if you understand that part. My position on USD JPY is coming down. Short here. Can you let me know? Can you do another one, please? Una. Which pair? I'll show you example on which you do. Okay, so I'll do a rewind, another rewind for you guys, just so you have a better understanding. Let's see. Let me close this. Let me go back to an hour. We can do GPP, JPY. So go on here. Just ignore everything that's going on right now. I'm just gonna set up for you guys. Let me close this so this isn't something you think I use. X this out. Boom. Close this out. Yes, that's fine. So I'll skip forward. During this yellow time here, I am, again, either eating dinner or sleeping. Okay, session opens. I'm gonna go to 15-minute. So during this session, we'll do, you wake up in the morning, yada yada, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Eastern time. You'll mark the highest point inside Tokyo session. I'll mark it green for high and low for red. So I'll do lowest Tokyo session, make it red. It's here. And mark green highest Tokyo session for green. It's here. Price breaks below, take short. Go red. Price breaks above, go along. Green. And I'll set up like this. I'll do my short. In here. I'm just eyeballing this right here. And I'll do a long on here. So right now you have your long, you have your high, and your lowest part in the session. So we'll follow through. We already have our positions in place because we know what high and low is. So now you would take your long position, and you would close out your short. And then you would just follow along on the session here. As you see, it broke the high and it continues. Continues going up. It's so simple. Don't overthink it. Tokyo session, highest point, lowest point. Breaks the highest, you long. Breaks the lowest, you short. No in between. No in between at all. So it would have took the position here. And this is I don't know, maybe a couple days ago, 2-3 days ago. So simple, right? Let me know if it's simple. I mean, it's simple. There's no confusion. If it breaks above, you're not shorting it. That's silly. And again, you can do this for all these pairs too. So in the morning, you can wake up, boom, go through them. It'll take you, if it takes you 10 minutes, I mean, I don't tell you, it takes you 5 minutes. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So simple. I do this in the morning. Let me check one of these trades. Like this is just, where is it? Like if you're doing, let me go into my small account, hold on. Let me go into. And this I'll show you really quick. So on here, it applies to the rest of, yes, all of them. Only JPY. Let me do this. Let's see. So just to give you an idea, like this is one I have already automated. So it'll only take 0.01, but this is for a different strategy I use on it. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me do this. It was like, I don't know if you can see that. So profit 1,102. I deposited 1,590. Balance is 2,693. And this is on. This is just using pound USD and USD Canadian. A bit more intricate strategy on that, and that's only trading 0.01 of a lot. But this one I like doing in the morning from my other account. I like to split up my accounts because I use Henko Trade, so you can make as many accounts as you want. Yada yada yada. Do you have any questions about this portion that I have on here? Pretty straightforward. Again, if you don't have a broker, I did leave like my affiliate link in there, so you sign up. I do get some perks, but again, I will be along the ride with you. Obviously, it's Forex. You might have one losing day, 2 losing days. Obviously, it changes. But this is just a simple beginner strategy, which is pretty good in my eyes. So you would take your profits on there and call it a day on that pair. On that pair. Let me go to my other account. Let me just check out USD JPY right now. Let me see what's going on. Let me just take off these sessions. Yeah. Put sessions back on. Again, same thing with this. Let me move this down really quick. Same thing here. It broke the low. So it would have been a short here. About halfway. Let's say it's there. It's about halfway, right? And it's going. More times than none, you're going to get the good position. Again, start small. Don't go crazy. Don't blow your account. Boom. We can do 0.01 lots, 0.10, 10 lot size, but don't go crazy because one little pip up will destroy your account. 1 pip down, make it a lot. I don't know if you guys are still in the stream or not, but yeah. Simple. So simple. Everyone's doing like smart money, retailer, this, that, and so forth, and make it so complicated. This is so simple. And this is live, by the way. This is live here. This isn't, I can X this out and it's live. This is currently live. I do a bunch of other things with Ichimoku and all that beautiful stuff. Oops. Go back. And you can see this is more pointing down. High 135. Okay, let me see. On which one? High 135, 184. Why? Because in the session, in the Tokyo session, this candle is the highest point within price within that session, within the yellow box. This is the highest point instead of the higher. Over here, we're not focusing on. So we're doing this. There you go. That's the only part we're doing. Yeah, in Tokyo. That means they woke up, they're on the computer. Before that, I don't care, because that's us trading, that's others. I want JPY specifically. I want people, Tokyo traders that are in one of those big buildings. Yeah, okay, cool, got it. Yeah, just keep it simple. Don't adjust it. I mean, adjust if you want, but this is what I do. As you can see, just from today, there's 2-3 winning trades. Do what you want with it. I'll try and do it every day. Yeah, simple. I know there's a lot of people in that Discord. It's like, oh, look at my trades, but they don't go live and show you what they're doing. They send you a screenshot and let you pay me. No, not happening. Cool. If you like it, I mean, please give me like a thumbs up on the video, comment, subscribe, whatever. Message me in Discord, and I'll do a bunch of other things. Like there's Ichimoku Cloud. What time's the Tokyo session? Okay, I'll show you. Hold on. I will do this. So, Una, do you have the sessions portion added on your indicator? Do you have sessions added on your chart? And when I say sessions, I mean this one here. Let me get you the right one. The one I'm highlighted. It says sessions on chart. Nope. So add that. Add that indicator. Go on to indicators and type in sessions and sessions on chart. And let me know when you do that. That's this one here. Right there, my scripts. Yeah, I have my own strategy scripts on there, but anywho, it's called sessions on chart. Let me know when you got that on there, and I'll continue forward. This one here, I just started it, so it's on right here. I'll wait until you type in the chat. Added it already. Okay. So when you do that, go over to the little gearbox tool on it. So you'll highlight on here, go over to gearbox, unclick London, New York, and Sydney session. And then you'll go to Tokyo session here and change it to 0 and 6. And then click OK. So then it'll look like mine. Once you do that, let me know. I'm in a trade right now too. Okay. I'll wait. Done. Okay. You click OK. And if you're on the Swiss to JPY, you would see the yellow markings here. I'll delete this. Cool. Awesome. Uma and Henry, if you haven't already, just if you could, I don't know if you even use YouTube or not, hit me with the subscribe, a like, comment. It helps me. I just started this YouTube. I want to do trading, trying to help, obviously. You can see my strategy is working, and yeah, cool. I'll talk to you guys. Are you doing it in the 15-minute or 1 hour? So I do either one's fine, 15-minute or 1 hour. I just did the 1 hour just so I could just consolidate everything, so it's not a mess when you guys look at it. But you can trade it on the 15. Yeah, it'll be the exact same highs and lows. I just do the 1 hour just so I can set the high and low quicker. That's all. I do in the 15-minute, yeah. That's all. Sweet. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop off and just go check on my dog. So again, like it, sub. let me know in Discord.